What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Sunday. We know the Eagles won so far, and pretty close game with the Chiefs and the Bengals. So sorry that I had to pull you in here, guys, tonight, but I'm really excited because we had an amazing week. Over 110 points this week on futures, guys. Really nice volatility. The volatility is back. And I really think it's a great time to be trading and to be growing your capital. All right. So I'm going to be walking you through all the trades this week, the setups, give you a full guide, as well as there's going to be giveaways at the end. And we're going to do the futures analysis, and we might take a trade on futures overnight tonight. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. So first and foremost, let's do some shout outs. Anthony, David, Trading Wars Army, Harry, Gary, D, Bill, Briggs, Trading Wars Army, G-Man, Dex, Dr. D, Wesley, Gus, Hellbilly, Alicia, Trading Wars Army, Trevor, Jed, Jimmy, T, Burmis. What's going on? What's going on? Hit me with the 3 if you can hear me loud and clear. So I'm going to start off with Friday. And you guys know that I love trading Lotto Friday. Lotto Friday is probably one of the most profitable days that I've had trading. Just in general, Fridays is that day where you see an increase in volatility and you have an opportunity to make a lot of money. So this Friday, guys, was our home run day. 30 points on the opening range breakout, 30 points on the afternoon leg fib, as well as I hit some stocks. Procter & Gamble, I hit for $3,000 and net 60 points, $3,000 per contract. If you want to scale up, you want to do 10 contracts, guys, that's 30K. You want to do 100 contracts, it's totally up to you. As you grow your capital, you can increase your size. So let me go ahead and I'll walk you through the setups we took and just give you everything step by step. So here we go. Let's hit the replay. Boom. All right. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to draw the high and the low. That's something that I always do. So to draw the previous day's high right there and then the previous day's low. Okay. That's always important. I'm here on the 3-minute chart. The 3-minute chart is my go-to when the day starts. I like to look at the first 3-minute bar, and you can see in this case we had this 3-minute bar, guys, was opening inside, right? You could see here's the previous day's high. So I'm going to walk you through. I made a decision that I wanted to take the opening range breakout. So you could see here, let me walk you through the commentary and give you some insight. So I said, good morning, friends, inside open. So our long trigger was 404.43. So what does that mean? So at 404.43, I wanted to get long. So that was right there. Okay. So I wanted to get long there. And I noticed that the first candle opened, it was a bullish green candle, and it was right below that trigger. Okay. So what I decided to do is I decided to get in on the opening range breakout so that I could front run. And the reason I like to front run is because I could make the most money possible, right? So you can see right here, guys, we got long at 6:36 Pacific, 9:36 Eastern. And I just walked everybody through it step by step. And check this out, guys. I'm going to fast forward. Boom. That's all she wrote. So there was our 3-minute entry right there. So we just got long once that high broke. And some people added when the green line broke, but I kept my initial long there and just rallied straight into the close. Really nice 30-point play on the opening range breakout. And the good thing about this is we were able to add our afternoon leg for 30 points as well. So let me just show you how we do the afternoon leg Fibonacci. So I'm just going to hit the replay right here. Okay. So our low, going into the morning, you could see that we were going vertical, right? So let me ask you this as a trader. Would it make sense for you to buy at the highs? Honest question. Hit me with the 1 if you think yes. Hit me with the 2 if no. Would it make sense to buy at the highs? So if you didn't get in long in the morning like me, if you didn't get in over here, would it make sense to buy up there? And my argument, guys, is the answer is in the long run, no. Yes, every now and then you can buy at the highs and it can go higher. But as a new trader, and if you're trying to do this for a living, you always have to get a discount. You always have to get a deal. So let me show you what we do for that. So we take our Fibonacci from the low and we bring it up to the high, okay, like this. And I'm going to double click and I'm just going to put the 618. So all you want to focus on is that 618 line, okay? So you're waiting for that 618. That's your dip buy, okay? I'm just going to move it up a little bit. It made a slider higher high. We wait. There's your fill. Okay, so you're getting filled with your lottos, right? Lotto Friday. You're getting cheap calls right around here at 10:45. Your stop loss is the swing low, which is down here, okay? if you want to double down, and you can, you add on the 786. So those are your two ads. Boom, boom. Keep your stop loss there. So what you're doing is you're letting that pull back come in so you can get a cheaper deal. And guys, almost got stopped out on this, and then we just ran. So really, really nice Lotto Friday. That's the way that I like to do it. Opening range breakout, afternoon leg, 60 points net. Really, really nice. And I'll just show you the Fibonacci that we called this one out live as well. So you can see I've added a lot of different bots that are helping us. I created this bot, basically Fibonacci bot. It's in our Discord now. So you could see we drew up the afternoon leg. Here was our low and here was our high. And we got filled on the afternoon leg, 404.65, right? And really, really nice. 2 trades, keep it simple, easy money. All right. Hit me with a 10 out of 10 if that made sense. And while we're here, guys, I forgot to mention. So our January flash sale, January flash sale, it ends in 2 days. You have 2 more days left to take advantage of the sale if you want to come trade in the Discord. So what is the sale? So normally with the purchase of any book, you get 30 days in the Discord. Okay. But because at the beginning of the year, I want to encourage you that if you want to do this seriously, I'm gonna give you a hookup. So instead of 30 days in the Discord, you get 90 days. 90 days instead of 30. Okay. So you can see 3 months deal. 90 days, you get the premium indicators. Come trade with us live tomorrow if you want to. All right. Or right now, we're doing the bundle deal at the extreme. So the bundle deal is for those who want to take it to the next level. You get all 3 of my books, 2 seminars, and normally you get 4 months in the Discord. But like I said, it's a 3-time sale. So you're going to get 1 full year. So it's $7.99, 1 full year, all my books and the seminars. All right. So I just wanted to say that because the sale will expire soon. We have until the end of January. All right. Back into it. Okay. So Friday, honestly, guys, I love Lotto Friday. It makes me so happy. When you go into the weekend with a big wallet of cash money, does that feel good? Hit me with a 9 if that feels good. I'm telling you guys, I love going into the weekend knowing that the efforts that I put in at the beginning of the week have paid off. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go on to the Thursday trading. So here's our high right there. Keep an eye on that. And then here's our low right here. Okay. So I went ahead, guys, and I took the 3-minute orb. And in this one, guys, didn't work out for me, unfortunately. I lost 5 points. So you'll see, boom, came in, bam. So right there, I got filled long. So I tried, I was patient. I got filled long here and then stop out on the very next candle. So unfortunately, yeah, I'm going to talk about Amazon, Simone. Thank you very much for bringing that up. So unfortunately, sometimes the orb doesn't work. But if you notice, when I lose on the orb, it's roughly about 5 points, sometimes less. But when we won on the orb on Friday, it was 30 points, right? So the main thing, guys, is risk to reward. It's so critical. So we lost on the orb. The good news is we were patient. We saw this push down. So whenever you have an impulsive push down like that, guys, go ahead, take your Fibonacci, high to low. Okay. And again, we're waiting for our 618 right there. 618 came in. So if the anchor goes lower, you just move your anchor like that. Okay. That's all you got to do. So we pop back up here. There's our 618. Boom. Right there. So let's stop right here. And what I want to do is I want to walk you guys through this concept. So this move right here. Would you feel scared to short right there with this candle? Hit me with the 5 if yes. Hit me with the 2 if no. Would you feel scared to take that short? And unfortunately, the way that traders are programmed is through candlesticks. This candlestick is a big green candle. You can see green, 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 green. And a lot of the times you'll get intimidated, right? You'll be scared. Hey, I don't want to take that play. I don't want to take that play. But look what happens right after, right? So this is why we love to use the Fibonacci. This is what we call the hidden levels of support and resistance through the Fibonacci. Only the Fibonacci can show you, because remember, the bear algorithm that took that short, they're looking for the pullback. They're not going to chase. So the big money won't chase. They wait. They're patient. And that's why they make more money. Okay, so we pull back to the 618. There's our short right there, guys. We had an inside. So you could see when we got to the 618, look how it started to slow down. Outside bar, inside bar, it slowed down. And then right here, guys, boom, new low of the day. That's when we're out. All right. You don't want to be the person that's got that shorts down here, okay? Because again, you're playing for a bad risk to reward if you're chasing. And then from there, guys, you can see, I'm going to fast forward right there. The market reverses from here. So this is why I'm teaching you. Always get that pullback, okay? Get that pullback. That's how you're going to make the most money. So the afternoon leg, Fibonacci 20-point winner, net 15 points, $750. I call that a double. All right, so that was a double. We had the home run on Friday, and we had a double on Thursday. Let's go into Wednesday. So on Wednesday, I'm gonna do this one pretty quickly because it was just a little bit choppy. So you could see on the Wednesday we actually gapped down. So I went for the orb, and you'll see, guys, I got hit with the orb throughout the week. I lost a few days, but on Monday and Friday I hit the orb so big that those losers weren't even a fraction of my profit. So I'm gonna always be honest with you in trading. 50-50, okay, 60-40, 70-30. That's what your odds are, all right? And you need to understand that in order to make money. 3-minute orb, I shorted right there. You could see it turned right back on us. We had a loser. And then from there, the morning leg. So the morning leg, we took it from low to high like this. And you could see that was a loser as well. Thankfully, guys, we're able to catch one more play in the afternoon from high to low right there. And we beautifully had that 618. And that one took us back down. So that was really, really nice. So you could see 3-minute orb loser -6 points, morning leg fib -4 points. But look at the risk to reward. That afternoon leg, we're able to nail 14 points. So we walked away with 4 points, $200 base hit. All right. And I'm totally happy with that. And what I wanted to show you on this particular setup is this inside bar. Right. So we're going to go to the book right here, and I'm going to show you that. So in the Fibonacci book, there's a part of it called candlestick confirmation. That's page 48. That's exactly what the candlestick confirmation looks like. So we come up to our 618, right? And we have this tight inside bar, and we have this shotgun. This is what I call the shotgun. You see how big that wick is? So we have a shotgun, big wick, inside bar. It's slowing down. So if you don't want to take it on the 618, you just short when the low of that inside bar breaks right there. Boom, take it straight down. You have a very, very tight risk right there. Hit me with the 8 if that makes sense. So base hit on that one, not bad. And the only day we lost this week, guys, was the Wednesday. Was a Tuesday, and it was an inside day, and I'll walk you through that. So let me go ahead and hit the replay, and I'll walk you through that. So here was the high of Monday. Here was the low of Monday, right there. And then I'm gonna switch over the 5 minutes so it's easier to see. So we started off. First candle came in. We were near the bottom here, guys, but sorry, my low is in the wrong spot. It's over here. So we're dead in the middle, right? And I'm gonna play this through. We had our first morning leg. There's too many stuff here. Let me just delete some of this. So we had our first morning leg here. We tried this short from high to low. You could see it blew right through. We lost 4 points on that. And then we did the afternoon leg from low to high, and it blew right through that. And that's something I typically see on inside days. So I lost 4 points on each, net 8 points, -$400. So you'll see when we look at Monday, right? I'll show you Monday in a second, but look, Monday our orb was 50 points. Our losers 8 points. And what I want to teach you guys is at least one day of the week, you have to take a lose. From my experience, a good rule of thumb, if you trade 5 days a week, expect at least one day that's going to be a loser. Okay? So I clicked on something here. So expect at least one day to be a loser. And if you can't face that fact, guys, and if you can't control that loss, that's the difference between being profitable and not. Because on this inside day, the market, you could see it's a very tight inside range, very, very tight. You see that? If you allow yourself to blow up because you're revenge trading or you're oversizing, this day could be the reason why you're not profitable. Hit me with a 10. Has that happened to you before? That's happened to me. So you have to understand that at least one day, set your expectation in your head. Hey, you know what, guys? One day I'm going to have a loser, but I'm going to take it with grace and I'm going to keep it controlled. And that's an 8-point loser, $400, controlled loser. One day a week, you need a budget for a loser. Okay. You have to. You can't expect to win every day. That's the thing with this game, and the media and the people that are in this game, they make you think they win every single day. All right. If you can win 4 out of 5 days, guys, you're doing well. If you can win 3 out of 5 days, you're doing well. And I want to keep it real with you guys. Okay. So that was that one. And then what I want to talk about here as well is, so the title of this video was something that I wish I knew. Well, and it was actually futures. Okay. So what I want to do is I'm going to go to futures right now. And we actually took a short on that trade. Okay. So I want to show you an overnight play. So I'm going to go back all the way to Tuesday here, and I want to just show you something. Okay. So this right here, guys. So this is the Tuesday price action. And this might be a little bit advanced, but I'm sure some of you guys are gonna enjoy this. So let me just get, where's my rectangle at? Right there. So this is the Tuesday price action. You see it's a tight box. Okay. But notice on Wednesday morning at 9:30 a.m. we gap down. So the question is, how can you make money on this move that has, you see this move, it gapped down all of that box. Can you make money on that? Hit me with a 1 if you think yes. Hit me with a 2 if you think no. So let me see where you guys are at. Can you make money on this move? So a lot of you might say, hey, Rich, that happened overnight. I have no control. I can't do anything. You know what? I wake up, the market gaps down. The market hates me. I buy calls. The calls are zero, go to zero, right? However, this is where I want to show you futures, because we were able to take a short, guys. So here, where's your Wednesday? Where's your Wednesday? Right? Let me find your Wednesday. So here's your Wednesday at 9:30. It's right here. Okay. So let's do that. There's your Wednesday. Put a big box around it. So the price action for Tuesday, sorry, I was looking at the wrong. No, this is all Tuesday. But let's just highlight the regular trading hours. Okay. So the regular trading hours for Tuesday was 9:30 here to here. Okay. So it's actually to here. Okay. So this is your regular trading hours. This box. How can you take advantage of that, of this to this? How can you do that? Well, you wake up in the morning, the market's down, and you're already losing. However, this is how you can trade futures. So if we go to the futures, you see every day we have a short plan. So let me go ahead and find my short plan for you guys. So that was, let me make sure I have the right date. That was Tuesday the 24th. Here's the 26th, the 25th, and the 24th. So SPY trading plan for the 25th. So our short is 4,875. Okay, that's the futures level. So I'll go ahead and I'll draw that. 4,875 right there. Okay, so that green line. So notice, when does this level break? 4:50 in the morning. So check this out, guys. So our short level, you can automate this. So I have a full guide on futures and conditional orders below. They're right here. Conditional right there, and then futures right there in the guide below. But let me just, we can talk about this more in detail. But at 4:50 a.m., you can short through futures because the market is still open. And when you then by regular trading hours over here at 9:30, guys, you've already made how many points? You've already made 20 points. That's $1,000 on a contract. Isn't that awesome? Hit me with the 10 if you think so. You have very, very tight bid and ask, so almost zero slippage. You have ability to get in at 5 in the morning when everybody else is sleeping. You have no PDT. The only downside is you need margin, right? But if you have a stop loss and protect yourself, that shouldn't be an issue. So I really wanted to bring that up and just show you guys, a lot of the traders in the Discord, they take these trades. A lot of people live in different time zones, right? And if you live in a different time zone, sometimes you can't trade at 9:30 a.m., right? But you can still make money coming in the 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m. when your opponents are sleeping. Okay. All right. And then the last one was Monday morning. We took the opening range breakout right here. So you can see this one was a really nice one. It was a very simple trade. So you could see here's our first 9:30 bar. You could see we gapped up above Friday's close. Here was an inside bar confirmation, and then we took the break of that for 50 points, 2,500 bucks, mega winner. And that was really, really nice too, because I'll go ahead and I'll get you the live commentary. So let me show you guys 23rd. So every morning I go live. So here we go. Good morning, friends. Gap up. I'll be leaning towards an orb, waiting for the break of the 3-minute ARB. So we got long at 6:43 Pacific, 9:43 Eastern. Really, really nice, man. So if you look at this, right, on Monday we had a 50-point orb, and on Friday we had a 30-point orb. Literally, 1 or 2 days of the week is what's going to make you profitable. And I really want to focus on that. Don't beat yourself up. Too many traders beat themselves up. Oh, I had a bad day. But sometimes, guys, it's not about you. It's about the market. And you just have to continue to push your edge. And trust me, sometimes I get frustrated. Oh, why is my orb not working? Why is this? Do I need to change this? Do I need to do something else? But you just keep following the edge. And that's something you guys know. You've seen me since last year, that these videos that I do, I hit the orb when it's there, and I don't care, because I know when I hit it and it's a big winner, I'm going to make a lot. Okay. All right. So hit me with an 11 if that all made sense. So that was the recap on SPY. Like I said, guys, a great time to be in the market. Volatility increased this week, 110 points times 50, $5,500 per one contract. You could do whatever you want. 10 contracts, 100 contracts, million contracts. Futures, you can scale to infinity. Very, very cheap commissions. Check out my guide in the description, Interactive Brokers, all right? And then you can read more up about it. And I'll probably do another video on that throughout the week. Let me know. Hit me with a like right now, guys, if you like the content. And don't forget, leave a comment below if you want to see more about futures. All right. So I want to go ahead now, and I just want to highlight some of the stuff that I've been doing for the community, and some things you guys can bank on with us. So on Friday, we had Procter & Gamble, 3,000 bucks. Also going to go to the Twitter, and I'm going to show you the automated picks this week, guys. Check this out. 3,000 Procter & Gamble. Some futures trades right here, 1139, 2,442. And then this was my big day this week, 3,004 Oracle, 2159 Bank of America, 688 Baba. So guys, like what I'm trying to show you here is that just be consistent. I don't care if you trade RSI, ISR, IRS. I don't care what you trade, guys. Joe, Mo, Flow, whatever you want to trade, okay? At the end of the day, what's going to make you money is, can you consistently follow your plan? That's it. That's what the people in this game get rewarded for: consistency. That's it, okay? That's all it comes down to. All right, so let me just show you guys here. So we had 2 special Lotto Friday picks. The first one was Amazon. So anyone that's a part of the Trading Wars Army, you get my special picks like the Blue Raindrop. So to join the Trading Wars Army, guys, all you have to do is click the join button. Okay, so it should be right there at the bottom of the screen. All you have to do is click join. It's $4.99 every single day. I give exclusive picks. I really want to grow my YouTube army. Okay, so Amazon was our play. Let's recap Amazon first. So Amazon, we scanned it together, right, on Thursday, and we saw that Amazon had a blue raindrop. And we noticed the last time Amazon had a blue raindrop that there was a big volatile candle the next day. So that's the same exact thing that happened, right? So we had that big pop-up here and a big push on Amazon. So you could see this was the 5-minute price action. We opened and we just ripped, okay? So check this out. Join the army. I had the full plan here for everyone in the army, long above 99.23, stop, target, and the options we were using were the 100 calls. I had a lot of people DM me about how they made over 100+%. Actually, I think on this post, a lot of people posted too. Let's see. Nice. Thank you for everything. Turn 50 on SPY. I killed the raindrop play on Amazon too. Shout out to Tanya M. Really, really nice. That was a great play. 88% on calls. So check, guys, join the army if you're interested. I'm going to keep the price at $5 for now. I don't have any plans on moving it right away, but I might, just because I've kept it at $5 for a long time. So consider joining if you would like to. And let me just show you how to join here. Okay, one sec. So a lot of people ask me this one. So I'm gonna go to our video right now. So I'm pretending I'm you watching this video. The join button should be right there. Okay, if you're interested, click that. And free daily picks. The members get bonus picks, but if you want regular picks, join the community. Okay, so I post stuff in the community as well. So you could see Procter & Gamble was posted for all of my subscribers. So that's why it's important to subscribe to the YouTube. So let's walk through Procter & Gamble. So 141.64 was our level that we wanted to go long. And then what was our short level? 140.84. All right. So I'm going to give you guys a nice little lesson here on how to day trade these stocks. Okay. So first question, why did I want to trade Procter & Gamble? Because you can see Procter & Gamble had a very nice inside bar. All right. So what I did right there is all I did was so this is the tight inside bar range right here. That's the range. Okay. So what we're trying to do is we're just taking this tight range and we're trying to break it, because whenever stocks contract, right? Whenever stocks contract, they expand. You can't go sideways forever. That's just how the stock market works, right? So the levels we had 140.84 short. So let me show you how I made $3,000 on this play. So onto line 140.84 right there. Okay, so let's watch this line together. First 5-minute bar comes in, boom. See, so we opened right above the level. So right now we're not filled. Next bar comes in, bam. That's what we want to see, guys. See how beautiful that is? This is the whole point of us looking for a tight range, because we were thinking this range is going to break. And what was really good about this play is, I think maybe a little bit by luck and a little bit by, a little bit by skill, I actually sold pretty close to the bottom, because I shorted this here, locked in 3,000 right around here, and it reversed. So honestly, very, very blessed, feeling very, very blessed about that. So, really, really nice. Always make sure that you scale out. Don't leave those profits on the table, okay? All right. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. And what we're going to do now is we're going to do some live future analysis. Let's do some live analysis. Let's see if we want to take some shorts or some longs. Let's see what's going on. And then we will do some giveaways. Okay. I just want to point this out right now. I'm going to do 2 giveaways today for anyone in the army. Okay. So if you join the army right now, you have a chance for a book and 1 month for free. So anyone that joins the army today, I'm going to do 2 giveaways. So by the time we're done with futures trading, if you click the join button, you'll be eligible. And then I'll also do 1 regular giveaway for our normal subscribers. All right, here we go. So let's go ahead on futures. So last week, we were stocking the fibs on the short from this high to low. And we actually did get a rejection on the 618. So I'm going to go ahead to the hourly so we could see this clearly. So we were watching the 618 last week, and you could see that we did break it and we sold off. And that's what we were expecting. It wasn't a huge sell-off, but it was still enough money it was a good amount of move to make us some gains. However, now what's happening, guys, is if I take this Fibonacci from the low to the high right here, you could see we pulled to the 618. And I told you guys this last week that I'm going to be looking for the extension right here. And you could already see, guys, we had a huge rejection. All right. So let me draw this out for you. So this blue line right here, this is the 786 from the weekly chart. And this is also the 272 extension of the 618. Okay, so check this out. We had this push last week, and we came in to the 618, and we traded to the extension. The extensions are always 272 and above. That's the extension. So right now, guys, this is an extremely, I can't describe it. This is such an extremely critical pivot. Okay, so watch on the weekly, we're up on the 786, and on the hourly chart, we've completed this 618. And right as soon as we completed it, wham, we're coming back down. Okay, so let me get rid of all the analysis now, and let's just mark this high. I'm gonna watch that high. Okay, let's go to the 5-minute. So this was the high. This high was made on Friday. Okay. Boom. Henok Terefi. Welcome to the Trading Wars Army. Thank you, my brother. You'll be eligible for the giveaway at the end of the stream. Let's welcome Henok with the TW Army Spy VIP. Thank you, brother. So right here, we sold off from this high, and we opened in the middle. So you could see we actually opened kind of in no man's land right where we closed off. So right now, I'm expecting this kind of just to be choppy for a little bit. Okay, if we had gapped up, or if we had a significant gap down, I would be watching it more closely. But right now, I feel like we can go sideways for a bit. However, I will be looking for some type of short. So what I'm going to do is high to low, like this. I have this marked, put an alert right here on the 618. So the 4100 area is where I'll be looking for the next short. Okay, so let me just put an alert, add alert. Okay, so right around in this zone, that's the zone. Save. There we go. Okay, so this is the zone that I'll be watching for this week. So remember, we didn't have any significant futures. That's why I didn't go live on futures. We didn't have anything crazy on futures. We opened pretty much just a slight little gap down. We filled the gap. We're just going sideways. But let's pay attention here. This is critical. I can't stress it enough. It's absolutely critical. Okay. I just remove the drawings. So I'll walk you through that one more time. So if I do the weekly high to low, we are up on the 786 of the weekly, and that is lining up with the 618 that happened last week that traded to extension. So this is the bears fighting right here. If we do break above this high, then I would consider that extremely bullish. But from a risk to reward perspective, this is a good opportunity to take a short. Even if you guys wanted to short right now with the stop above this hourly high, I think that's also a good opportunity as well. All right. So really, really nice. Let me take a look at NQ. Let's see how NQ. Let's see if NQ was yep, same thing with NQ. There's the high. Okay. This brother right here. Options DGen. Welcome to the Trading Wars Army, brother. Let's welcome Options DGen with a TW Army Spy VIP. All right. So really, really interesting time. I'm going to keep you guys updated throughout the week. Please subscribe. A lot of people are not getting my notifications. They're not getting my posts. Please subscribe to the channel. Turn the bell on. I'm going to be walking you guys through. We'll take some trades as well. But like I said, because that we opened in the middle here, I'm not that interested. I'm not that interested right now. All right. I'm going to be waiting like a hawk. All right. So time for some giveaways and then we'll wrap it up. Okay. So what we're going to do right now, I'm going to pick 2 from the army. Okay. So if you want to join, if you want to get into the giveaway right now, you guys can, but I'm going to pick 2 from the army right now. Okay. So let's go. So I'm going to go ahead. But yeah, guys, this, this part right here, this is the type of shit that makes me feel crazy about trading, right? Because look at this. If I go from low to high, look how beautiful that 618 is, and look how beautiful that 272 extension is, right? The 272, okay, 0.618, 272, the extension, right? It's a measurement. So we pull up, we come back 61.8%, and we extend this range by 27.2%. That is the type of stuff. When I learned about Fibonacci, when I learned about that, I was like, what the hell is this? Because then that makes you feel like, hey, I can get an edge. This is not just random bullshit. I have the opportunity, if I apply myself with right risk to reward, to be able to come and earn, right? Hit me with the 7 if that makes sense. Naveen, welcome to the Trading Warriors Army, brother. Let's welcome Naveen in with the TW Army Spy VIP. Welcome. That's what it's all about at the end of the day, guys, giving yourself an opportunity. All right, so I'm going to pick 2 random Army members right now. And I'm not going to show all their details because there is some personal stuff. So I'm going to pull up right here. All right, so the first winner is Mr. Terry Nash. Thank you for all of your, how long have you been in here? 5 months. Thank you for joining the Army 5 months ago and supporting. Really appreciate you, Terry Nash. You were the first winner. I'll hook you up with your book and your 1 month for free in the room. Who else do we have on the list? Let's see right here. All right, here's another winner right here. My channel. Definitely, this is your channel, my friend. My channel, you are the winner of the second Trading Wars Army giveaway. Thank you for supporting for 2 months, and we'll go ahead and get your 1 month free. And please, guys, let's hit them with the congratulations. I do these every single week, so don't be worried. Okay, you'll always have a chance. All right. So my channel, Terry Nash, you 2 are the winners. Congratulations. I'll hook you up with your book, your 1 month for free. Thank you very much, my friends. All right, so let's do one now for the Army members, the regular subscribers. All right. So the video that did really, really well, I want you guys to watch this video, supply and demand or Fibonacci, because I get a lot of questions on this. So I'm going to go ahead and open this right here. So we have 21 comments. I'm going to go ahead and link it. So you have 1 minute, 2 minutes. I'm going to give you guys 2 minutes to go ahead and leave a comment on there, and then we'll pick a winner. So supply and demand or Fibonacci. I always get that question. Fibonacci is that hidden supply and demand. That's really what it is. So a lot of times in trading, you need to look at things synergistically. What things work together, and Fibonacci with that hidden support and resistance. That's essentially hidden supply and demand. Very powerful tool. So check that video out if you haven't. All right. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to refresh, and we have 29. All right, I'm gonna give it 1 more minute. I feel like some of you guys are still commenting. All right. In the meantime, guys, don't forget, check me out, tradingwars.com. Like I said, you have 2 more days. Okay, you have 2 more days for the flash 3 times sale. So instead of getting 1 month, guys, you're getting 3 months in the Discord. Come trade live with us tomorrow. 3 months. All right. If you want to go ahead and upgrade, you get the full bundle. You get all 3 books, 2 seminars. And instead of 4 months, you'll get 1 full year if you want to do the bundle. And right after this, I'm going to go ahead and do a seminar in February. So make sure if you want to join up and do the new seminars, make sure you're in the Discord and you will be eligible. All right. Okay, let's do it. The game, we still have 7 minutes, so we still have time. All right. Let's do it right now. 58 comments. That's what I like to see. Boom. 58. I'm telling you though, guys, the market, I'm really happy about the volatility last week. And I really think you guys could see we're in really critical points now. And volatility makes me happy. Whether I win or lose, I generally am able to finish the week profitable and keep getting that extra money in your pocket at the end of the week. It makes the weekend feel so much better when you work your ass off for it. All right, here we go. 58. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 58. Number 35. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Wait. I think I fucked that up. Let's start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What did I say? 35? Yes, sir. 35. Frank Borja. 1 minute ago, my friend, you are the winner. I know you're in the stream right now. Frank, are you there? Hit us with a 7. Frank Borja, you are the winner 1 minute ago, brother. Thank you for leaving a comment. I'm going to hook you up with 1 month for free and a book of your choice. So go ahead and email rich@tradingwars.com, or if you're in the Discord, DM me and I will take care of you. Right here, Frank. Thanks for coming along, man. And I hope that I hope that giveaway will help you out, brother, to start your trading journey. All right. Thank you very much. All right, that's it, guys. There'll be more giveaways throughout the week. There'll be more giveaways next Sunday. So thank you for your time. I really hope you learned something. And I really want to just make as much money as possible. That's really what it is. If you don't think that you deserve to make money, I used to think like that. Let me leave with that. If you don't think you deserve to make money, that's something that could be a mentality that you were pushed upon maybe growing up, or you're in a certain type of society where you don't feel like you deserve it, right? But let me tell you something. These institutions, these banks, these multi-billion-dollar companies, they don't deserve to make all the money, and retail not. Okay? For me, that's very important. Retail, we are actually more liquid when you think about it. We can get in and out. We're not trading with billion-dollar lots. Okay, we can get in and out, and that's our edge, and we deserve it as much as any other company. We came on this world to have the best possible life, to have anything you want. And if you can have that mentality, guys, you will succeed. You will find a way, whether it's in trading, whether it's whatever you're doing. Always understand that you deserve that. All right, that's your right. That's your right. Your human right is education, success, everything. Okay, Don't cut yourself short. I used to think that I wasn't deserving of certain things because of the way I grew up. But the moment I changed my mindset, guys, it's the moment when all the doors started opening up. So I hope that helps you guys, and I hope to see you tomorrow in the Discord. Check me out, tradingwars.com. Thank you very much. Have a great